Hi, welcome to BUS 216, Spreadsheets Applications. My name is Deb Giblin, and I will be your instructor for this semester. When you first log into MyTech and go to your BUS 216 shell, the first thing I would encourage you to do is to go to the syllabus, and those tabs are all on the left, and go ahead and click on the syllabus and read through it. In there, you're going to see the objectives of the class. You're going to learn what my grading scale is. You're going to learn what's expected of you and what's expected of me throughout the semester. The next thing I want to make sure is that everybody um, has Microsoft Office loaded on their machine. As a student, you get it free from Mitchell Tech, so don't go out and purchase it. If you go to the Technology tab in MyTech, you'll see on the right-hand side down at the bottom, it says Microsoft Office. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory to download it. I would definitely recommend doing that right away before you get too far into the class. The next thing you're going to have to do is you are going to have to enroll into the course. And if you see this through coursework, it's one of the assignments at the top that are due on Wednesday. Throughout the first 10 days of the class, I have things due every couple days just to get you engaged and immersed into the class so you get a good feel for how things are run. After that, for this class, I have assignments due on Friday nights at 11:55. I know, not ideal, but it gives you a little bit of extra time after work on Friday. And also, I find that people usually have it submitted by Wednesday or Thursday because they don't want to do work on Friday evening. So it kind of works good for everybody involved. A lot of times, if I have nothing going on that Saturday morning, I'll get up right away Saturday morning and get them graded for you. Otherwise, if I do have a busy weekend, you will be the first thing I'm grading Monday morning. So check back then and see how you did and what my feedback was. To enroll in the course, you're going to have to go to the textbook link over here on the left. And you're going to, once it gets there, you're going to have the course key, which you'll need. There's some videos if you've never done Cengage. First, start how to create a student account. There's a video how to accessing Cengage with your course key, which, as I said, your course key is there, and then accessing your textbook. This is what your textbook looks like. And to get started, you're going to click on Launch the CU Dashboard. If you watch this video, the new student account, the thing it's going to tell you over and over is you have to use your Mitchell Tech email address. If you are a student who has a K-12 address, do not use it. If you have an iCloud address, do not use it. If you have a Gmail account, do not use it. If you have a work email address, do not use it. If you use any of those other email addresses, it's going to ask for credit card information and want to charge you. You have already paid for this through your bill at Mitchell Tech. Do not put in any credit card information. If it's asking you for credit card information, get a hold of me. Something's wrong. You should be able to access it just through here, through the course with the course key, if, of course, you use your Mitchell Tech email. So once you get started and you've created your account and you've accessed the class, and then when you're in the actual textbook, it's going to look, or MindTap, it's going to look like this. So for instance, for module 1, if I click on it, here's the reading for it. I click on that, it's going to take me through it. I am changing this class up a bit this semester. So in the beginning, we're going to be using the books, but we might not do the labs like I used to at the end. I'm going to have it, you walk through the assignments through module 1 to learn the concepts, which everybody should always get all the points because, like I said, it walks you through how to do it. So for that assignment, everybody should get all the points. Then I'm going to have some other assignments that are more handmade that are having you apply what you learned. That's where you might have a little bit more trouble, but usually if you go back and refer to the concept in the chapter, you should be fine. I've also find sometimes Googling different functions from Excel, watching videos on YouTube is also helpful. I am here to help as well, but just want to give you some different ways. If you're doing homework at 1 in the morning, I'm not going to be much help because I'm usually sleeping by then. So just giving you some different options to help you through assignments. So once you're in and you've gone to coursework, then coursework's your roadmap for Mitchell Tech for this course. And it's going to tell you, so on Wednesday, the first Wednesday, so a week from yesterday, you have some assignments due. So make sure you're doing those right away. And then the module 1 is due on Friday. And then we're kind of doing a little hands-on assignment. And then we have a few more before you actually take a concepts test, which is in my tech. So go through, there's a lot of points in this class. I'm here to help if you have help, if you need help. To get my weekly news and announcements, you're going to want to subscribe. So when you click on news and announcements, hit subscribe and make sure you put by email. What that'll do, it'll send you an email when I've posted something new, which is usually on Thursday mornings or Friday mornings, kind of recapping the week and giving you feedback for the next week. So again, I probably don't have as much open as I like to at one time because I'm changing things a little bit this semester. So I kind of want to give it a couple weeks, see how you're doing with the changes. If I'm giving you too much assignments, not enough assignments, if you're understanding the concepts. So things will be changing as we go. I'm excited for the semester. I hope you are as well. Get a hold of me if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.